Frustrated with the Fruity Wrapper 64 module DLL pop-up blocking image line? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Ensure your Fruity Wrapper 64 module environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Fruity Wrapper 64 module, the foundational 64-bit library in FL Studio, responsible for wrapping 64-bit third-party VST plugins so they can integrate cleanly with the DAO's internal engine. It manages signal routing, plugin sandboxing, and UI synchronization between the host and external DSP modules. If missing, 64-bit FL Studio will be unable to load most external plugins, typically reporting errors like plugin could not be loaded. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for Fruity Wrapper 64 module DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Fruity Wrapper 64 module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Manual intervention with Fruity Wrapper 64 module DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Fruity Wrapper 64 module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Fruity Wrapper 64 module functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support